A common question we get is, I see I have a 10% sinkhole deductible. Can you tell me how that works? Well, I can do that, but let me give first some background about sinkhole loss coverage. Across the country, homeowners and dwelling fire policies are standard in most coverages. Earth movement is excluded in these policies. While most people think this applies to earthquakes, it also means sinkholes in Florida would not be covered. However, policies are modified in Florida to cover damage from sinkholes. There are two types of coverage for earth movement in Florida: catastrophic ground cover collapse, known as CGCC, and sinkhole loss coverage. CGCC covers you in cases you hear about in the news, where a sinkhole opens up near a house and there is considerable damage. All homeowners insurance policies provide it. The normal policy deductible applies, so the same deductible you would have for a fire loss, for example, applies to CGCC. To qualify as a CGCC, there needs to be four components. First, an abrupt collapse of the ground. Second, a visible depression in the ground. Third, structural damage to the building. And fourth, the insured structure being condemned and ordered to be vacated. Sinkhole loss coverage is different. Let's say you insure your home for $200,000. The sinkhole deductible is 10% or $20,000. Let me give you an example. Let's say your home valued at $200,000 with a deductible of $20,000, and you file a claim for damages caused by a sinkhole. The initial testing is paid for by us. If there is structural damage and sinkhole activity, then we will pay for all the testing. Next, we get a contractor estimate and bids. Let's say the cost to repair the foundation and home is $55,000. Once you contract to repair the home, you will pay the contractor the first $20,000. As work continues, we will pay the balance of the foundation and home repairs, which would be $35,000. Well, that's our overview of sinkhole coverages and how the deductible works. We at Tower Hill Insurance certainly hope that you do not experience damage to your home. But if you do, we pride ourselves on handling your claim fairly, accurately, and timely. Thanks for watching.